Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. Hello. 여기 오신 것을 환영합니다. Welcome here. 저는 우스만입니다. I'm Usman. 저는 파키스탄에서 왔습니다. I'm from Pakistan. 아름다운 나라입니다. It is a beautiful country. 저는 한국어를 배우고 I'm learning Korean language. 잘 지내시나요? How are you? 건강하시길 바라입니다. Wishing a good health for you. This is my day 16 of Korean language speaking challenge, and in this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Ma'arij, Surah number 70, ayat number 5. It is Gurumuro Gudainun Arundabke Inahara. It means so be patient beautifully. तो सब्र कीजिए, शाइस्ता किस्म का सब्र, ब्यूटीफुल किस्म का सब्र, खूबसूरत किस्म का सब्र, वो सब्र की बात हो रही है। हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को कहा जा रहा है। तो ये आयत थी इन कोरियन लैंग्वेज। सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स एंड द मीनिंग्स आर फ्रॉम दिस आया आर Gurumuro means you, Gudainun means Gurumuro means therefore, Gudainun means you, oh you. Inahara means be patient, Aramdabke means beautifully. So this was from my side on this day of Korean language speaking challenge. I am practicing learning new sentences and repeating them again and again so that maximum of these sentences may remain in my mind. Okay. 감사합니다. Thank you. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye. Chulgon shigan dosyo. Have a nice time. Najunge babayo. See you later. Jazakumullah khair.